Marlin from 4 Archimedes, and he will discuss about the general power rule.
Okay. First of all, I will say hello. Hello. Then I will give some examples first for us to start. So, Berto, suggest any number for the numerical coefficient.
5.
Berto said 5. So let's use 5. Then I will put my favorite number inside the parentheses. 14. That's X. Raised to 3. Plus 14. X raised to 2. That's 14. X plus 14. Oh, I love 14. Yes. Then, what is the exponent? Can someone...
10!
Oh my, 10. Oh, Berto said 10. Oh, we will use general power rule in finding the derivative. So, first, this is what? To get the first derivative, we should multiply the numerical coefficient with the exponent. We will put 50. So, 5 times 10 is obviously 50. You don't have to think about that. Easy. Then you just copy the value inside the parentheses. It's 14x cubed plus 14x squared plus 14x plus 14. Then 10 minus 1, going on to apply the power rule, 9. Is it finished? No, it's not. We're going to find the other part of this. How to get the other? Because you get the derivative of the value inside the parentheses. You disregard this, the exponent, and the angular coefficient of the value. So, what is the derivative of 14x squared? We're going to apply the power rule. Any answers?
So hard.
Oh, it's so hard. We're to say so hard. How to find it? 14 multiplied by 3. 14 divided by 2, 28. 28, 35, 42. 42x squared plus 28x plus 14. This is constant. That's why it's 0. Cancel this. That is the first derivative. Then I want to put 3 on this one. I will get the second derivative. Oh, the second derivative, we're going to use the general power rule once again. So here, 5 multiplied by 50. Oh, it's too big, but it's so easy. 450. Just multiply 5 and 9 and add 0 on the... Then just copy again. Just copy and copy and copy. 14x cubed plus 14x squared plus 14x plus 14. There. And 9 minus 1 is 8. There. Okay. There, it's 8. Then we do again to find the other value of this. There, you can just copy the hell of this. 42x squared plus 28x plus 14. But since it is the second derivative, we should find the derivative of this because it is another value separate to this. So to find this, just apply 42. The power rule, 42 multiplied by 2 is 84x plus 28. And because this is constant, it should be 2. That's all. Thank you.